Did you know that you can take phone calls on your Sony Bluetooth speaker? Let me show you how. Super simple. All you have to do is pair your phone to your speaker, and now you can take phone calls. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. You thought the video was done, didn't you? No, not yet. I'm going to tell you a few more bits of information you need to make sure you can use your Sony speaker to take phone calls. Firstly, you're going to want to check the top of your speaker and look for this button. If you see a phone icon, your speaker has a microphone and can take calls. If you have one of these models, your speaker has echo canceling technology, which allows two people to have a natural conversation without cutting each other off. Once your phone is paired to a compatible speaker, any calls you make or receive will automatically go through that speaker. If you don't want to take or receive a call on your speaker, you can go into your phone settings and select the phone's earpiece or built-in speaker. And there you go. It's that simple to use your Sony speaker to make and receive phone calls. I've been Simeon from Sony. Thanks for watching.